Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can easily archive stories on Instagram. So guys, open your Instagram account and and you will be in your home page, and you will go ahead and click the profile icon as you can see here, and will be account as you can see here, and click this three line, and the top corner ahead you see this a lot of button as you can see here. Save it, archive your activity, notification, time spent as you can see here. Obviously guys, you want to do is just tap on archive, and then as you can see here, these are a story you have been archived. Now you can choose whatever story you want to do. Just I'm going to do most recent as you can see here, this story for example, and then you are highlight by clicking on the highlight button, and or you can go ahead and tap more than share post. This will repost your story and you will still be in the archive, but it is like you're making a new story, which is basically the same thing as an archive. So yeah, this is how you can do guys. Just click three line as you can see here, and you tap highlights and tap more and then share as the post, and it is easy, you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.